When I was in college, so our teacher gave us assignment and that was a few questions. So instead of creating program for separate question, what I did, I combined all of the question together and then I made a single program. So I'm just going to run the same program and then I'll show you what are the questions it contains and what are the outputs it's giving. So now I'm running the program and I'm just resizing the window so that it will be easier for you to view. So it contains total of 5 questions. So I'll just show you the questions one by one and then I'll show you what it contains. And the best part of this program is it won't get closed automatically. It will be closed only when you want. Okay, so now I'm just giving its input as a 1 so that we can see the questions. So this is the question: write a program to check whether the given string is palindrome or not using pointer. So I have used pointer internally when I was creating the function, but what does it matter in this program? As of now, it's just output, whether it's giving the correct output or not. So now if you want to run the program, this is the same program, you can put y and this program will start running. But now I'm just going back so that I can show you all the questions. Okay, now the question 2. So the question 2 says write a program to accept a string and find out number of vowels, consonants, special characters and lines. In this program, line is treated as a sentence. Okay, then digits, uppercase letter, lowercase letter and words. Okay, so this is the program. Again, if you want to run the program, you'll have to put the y, otherwise n. So I'm just going back. Okay, the question number 3, let's see. The question number 3 says write a program to implement bubble sort, insertion sort, selection sort, heap sort, merge sort. So there are some sorting methods. So but the output will remain the same. So what is the difference between these sorting, that how we are sorting? So there won't be any difference in the output, but when you go through the code, then you will get to know that there is some difference in the sorting method. And for one or two sorting method, I was not able to create the complete program, so I just, for the time being, I put the same function. And because it was created around 3 years ago, in 2016 I created this program actually, and it's 2020, so it's been 4 years when I created this program. So I was just going through my GitHub profile today and I got to know about this program, so I thought to show you the output of this program. Now I'm just going back. Now question number 4, let's see the question number 4. So this says write a program to take the input of two matrices A and B of order n into n. So n into n, that means it's a square matrix, and show the following, like row addition, column addition, row multiplication, column multiplication, addition of matrix, subtraction of matrices, okay, and then multiplication of matrices and transpose of a matrix. So again, this is a single program, I mean 4, but it contains many sub program like row addition, column addition, row multiplication, column multiplication, addition of matrix, like that. So now I'm just going back and then I'll show you the last question. This says write a program with all different categories of function to check whether the given number is n narcissistic number, Armstrong number, a special number, perfect number, prime number, magic number and palindrome number. So as you can see, this again contains many subprogram. One thing you will notice here, that all different categories of function. So when our teacher was giving the assignment, he mentioned that to write a program to check whether the given number is Armstrong number or not using different categories of function, like with return type, no return type, with parameter, no parameter. So I have not used all those different categories of function. I have used only one category, so that otherwise there is no benefit in this program, because this is already a long program. So now all the question is finished. I'm just going back once again. So now all the question you have seen. Now let's me go to the question 1 so that I can show you the output. So now it says to check the string is palindrome or not. So do you want to run the program? I said yes. Okay, now it says enter the string. So I'll just say madam. Okay, no, Mada is not a palindrome string. So it is again asking, do you want to check another string? Okay, I'll say yes. Now I'm entering madam. So as you can say, madam is a palindrome string. I'll say y again. And then let's see race car. Again you can see race car is a palindrome string. So now I'll just go back. So this is complete. Now let me show you the question number 2. This says write a program to accept a string. So we'll have to provide a string in this program, and then it will give us the output as a how many vowels are there, how many consonants, how many special characters, line, I mean sentence, how many digits are there, uppercase, lowercase. So I'll just say yes because we want to run the program. Now it says enter the size of the string. So we'll have to provide the size of the string which we are going to give as an input, because at the runtime it is dynamically will allocate the memory for that this string. So I'll just give you, just say 100. Okay, now enter the string. So now we have to provide the string and the limit is 100 characters. Now I'll say, hey fellow programmers, what do you think about this program? Give me your feedback in comment section. Now I'll just enter. So now as you can see, the output says what we found, that total number of vowels is 31, total number of consonant is 51, number of lowercase is 82, and number of uppercase, okay, there is no uppercase letter is found, okay, 0, and number of digits, there is no digits, and a special character is 3, like there is an exclamation mark, there is a question mark, and there is a dot. So the number of special character is 3, and now number of sentences is 2, like hey fellow programmers, what do you think about this program, and give me your feedback in comment section. So this is the 2 sentence. And now number of words, so how many words are there, 1 2 3, you can count, this will be 17. So you can see how this is the giving the total number of vowels, lowercase letters, digits, special characters, all of this. Okay, so now I'm just going back. Okay, no, we are already in the main function, so main function is running here. So now this was the question 4, I believe, or 3. It was 3, I guess. So let me enter the question number 4. Okay, yeah, so this is the matrix operation. So it says write a program to take the input of two matrix. So I'll just say, okay, do you want to run the program? I'll say yes. Now enter the order of a matrix. So I'll just take order as a 3. Now I'll enter. So as this is the square matrix, kindly enter all the 9 elements of matrix A, either in matrix form or in linear form. So you will have to provide the 9 elements, no matter in which way you are providing the input. So it will take in matrix form, like you can provide 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Either you can provide in this way, or you can provide 1 by, and then you will press enter, then 2, then press enter, then 3. So whatever you prefer you can enter. So I'm just giving you it in matrix form. So 1 2 3, then 4 5 6, then 7 8 9. Okay, so we have given, well done. Then now enter all the 9 elements of matrix B like you entered previously. So now we'll have to provide the element of matrix B. So I'll say 9 8 7 6 5. Okay, so I'll just give it again in matrix form, so that will be look better, I believe. 9 8 7, then 6 5 4, and then I'll enter 3 2 1. Okay, great. So now what should we do? Row addition or column addition, row multiplication, column multiplication, transpose of a matrix. So these are the options which is available in this program. So let's say we have to find the row addition. Okay, so I'll just give input as a 1. So it says for which matrix do you want to calculate the row, calculate the addition of row. So I'll just say matrix A. Okay, so the matrix which we entered for A matrix was 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So as you can see, and now the sum of row 1 is 6, sum of row 2 is 15, and sum of row 3 is 24. So you can see the row addition. Now if you want to find the column addition, so we can give the input as a 2. So now again it is asking for which matrix. So I'll just say again a matrix A. So now this time it is finding the addition of column. Okay, so sum of column 1, that is 1 plus 4 plus 7 is 12, and then the second one is 2 plus 5 plus 8 is 15. So now it is finding the addition of column. So now let's see the option 3, which is says row multiplication. So again it will multiply 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 8 9, nothing difference. So and the fourth one is column multiplication, same way. I'll just show you the third one once again. So now this time let's give a matrix B. So now matrix B says 9 8 7. So this was our matrix 9 8 7 6 5 4 and 3 2 1. So multiplication of row 1 is 504. I cannot multiply as of now. 9 8 7 multiplication of row. So we can multiply 6 into 5 is 30 into 4 is equal to 120. Okay, that's correct. And 3 into 2 into 1, yeah, that's 6. So that's also correct. So now let's go for transpose of a matrix. So I'll say 5. So for which matrix you want to do transpose? So I'll just say A. So now the matrix was 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and the transpose is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So now let's say addition. Okay, so addition is, as you can see, 10 10 10 10, because 1 into 9, 2 plus 8, sorry, 1 plus 9, 2 plus 8, 3 plus 7. So this is finding the sum. And if you want to subtraction, we can use 7. So it will give the 1 minus 9, 2 minus 8. So this is the subtraction. So in this subtraction is being done, I mean the subtraction is A minus B, and the result is C. And if you want to multiply, so we can give the input as a 8. So this is the multiplication, which is finding the multiplication of matrix A and B. So this is completed. So now we can go back. So by 9, so I'll have to provide the input as a 9. So to go back, so I'm just giving the input as a 9. So now the question number 4 was completed. So now let's see the question number 5. So it says write a program with all the different categories of functions. So it says write a program. I think I missed one question, and that was a sorting. Okay, so I believe it was 3. So I'm just going back, and then I'll just give input as a 3. So write a program to implement bubble sort, insertion sort, and selection sort. So these are the some sorting techniques. So the output will be same for all of this. This says want to see the program of this question. I'll just say yes. So now it says how many numbers do you have? Okay, so you have to provide the number. So whatever the total number of numbers you have, you can provide the input. So I'll say just say 8. So now enter all the 8 numbers to start sorting them. So I'll just say 12, 43, 56, 7, 8, 9, and then how many I did? 6 number I have given, 98, and then let's say 32. Now it is asking which sorting technique do you want to use. So again I'm saying that the output will be the same, only the difference is how we are sorting internally. So the output will be the same for all of this. So I'll just give it a bubble sort. So now as you can see, your array was, so with the number which we given was for 12, 43, 56, 7, 8, 9, and after sorting the array is 7, 8. So you can see the number has been sorted. So I believe it's also completed. And now let's give it number 3. So it says your array is okay. So our array is already sorted because I have sorted in place. So I believe, I don't remember exactly. So that's why our array is already sorted. So that's why there is no difference even after sorting once again. So I'm just going back by giving input as a 9, and then I'll run the program as a question number 5. So now it says write a program to all. So we'll check whether any given number, Armstrong number, special number, perfect number, is correct or not. So I'm just running the program, and then it is asking enter any number. So Armstrong number, I believe it is 151 or 171. I don't remember exactly. So 151. Now we have given the number 151, and what do we want to check about this number? So do we have to check whether it's Armstrong number or not? So I'll just give one input as a 1. This says the number 151 is not an Armstrong. I'll just pause the video, and then I'll just go to Google, and then I'll take one number. Okay, so I got to know that 153 and 371 is Armstrong number. So now do we want to check any other property about this number, that whether this number is a special number or not, perfect number or not? So I'll just give 2. A special number is not a special number, and then perfect number and prime number we know, magic number, palindrome number. Palindrome number is the same, like from left or right is it is same. Okay, so I'm just going. Okay, so do we in this option we can check another number. So let's say in the option 8 it says check another number. So I'll just give input as 8, and now enter the new number. So I'm just giving 371. This is Armstrong number. So I'll just, what do we want to check about this number? So I'm just giving input as a 1. So this says the number 371 is an Armstrong number. So you can Google about this number, and then you can take any number for this number, and then you can verify whether this program is giving correct output or not. So now I'll just take one example. Let's say 6 as a palindrome number. So I'm just give out input as a 6, and then let's see. Okay, palindrome number is not okay. First we have to check the another number. So I'll just give input as a 8, and let's say give number 1 5. Okay, 3, and then 3 5 1. So this is the palindrome, either from left or right the number is same. Okay, and then we will check whether this number is palindrome or not. So I'm just give input as a 6. So this says number 51553, whatever it is a palindrome number. And about prime number, so we can check whether it's prime number or not, so by giving the input as a 4. So this says the number is not a prime number, so I'll just give input as a 8, and let's say one prime number which is 13. So we'll check about the prime number. So this is the 4, so I'll give input as a 4 to check whether its number is prime or not. So now as you can see, the number 3 is a prime number. So this is a complete program. I'm just going back. So for going back, I have to use a 7. Okay, and then I can still the program is running. So if you want to close the program, we'll have to provide the input as a 6, and then it will just take one confirmation whether you really want to close the program. I'll say yes, and then this says thanks for using the program. Come back to check another program.